Now, let's get into pressure canning. This procedure is perfect for preserving a variety of veggies, like green tomatoes. It's a great way to ensure your veggies are safe and delicious for months. Before canning, it's crucial to sanitize your jars, lids, and seals. This ensures everything is clean and safe for your preserved veggies. First, wash your green tomatoes thoroughly. Starting with clean produce is essential for quality canning. Next, slice your green tomatoes. Even slices help them cook uniformly during the canning process. Pack the green tomato slices into your sanitized jars. Fill them up, leaving a bit of headspace at the top. Start your vinegar solution with 2 cups of vinegar. This acidic base is key for preserving and flavoring our tomatoes. Now, add 2 cups of water to the vinegar. This dilutes the acidity to a safe level for canning. Pour in 2 tablespoons of sugar. This balances the vinegar's sharpness, bringing out the natural tomato flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of salt for flavor and preservation in our canning solution. Let's go for extra zing with some spices. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few peppercorns are one option, but feel free to get creative here. Stir everything together until well mixed. Our vinegar solution is now ready to be added to the green tomatoes in the jars. Carefully pour the vinegar solution over the tomatoes in each jar. Ensure the liquid fully covers them. Place the lids on the jars and gently tighten them. A proper seal is essential. Place your jars in the pressure canner. Make sure they're not touching each other for even heating. Secure the canner's lid and start the heat. Follow your canner's instructions for the correct pressure and time. Once done, carefully remove the jars from the canner. Use canning tongs to avoid burns. Let the jars sit and cool on a dish towel. You'll hear a pop sound when they seal. This indicates a successful canning process. Be sure to label your jars with the canning date. Pressure canning is terrific for preserving low-acid veggies. It keeps them safe to eat for a long time, retaining flavor and nutrients. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of preserving vegetables. We hope you found these methods helpful and easy to try at home. And if you've got some cool tips or questions, please drop a comment below. Your insights and experiences are what make this community awesome. If you liked this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Your support keeps these videos coming. Stay tuned for more delightful and practical guides on sustainable living. See you next time.